Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to prepare squids butter garlic fry. Squids or calamari is also known as mankyo in Konkani and is a very famous and delicious seafood. It can be prepared in many different ways. So first, I will show you how to clean the squids. So here I have the squids and this is the head and these are the arms or the tentacles of the squid. So first we need to pull apart the head along with the interiors. So in one hand hold the body of the squid firmly and pull the head along with the interior. So you can see it has come out so well. Next is to remove the shell of the squid. So you'll find a transparent thin shell, pull it out and empty the squid of all the entrails or whatever is inside. The next step is to remove the two flaps along with the fine pigmented skin. So hold the flaps and just pull it down and you see all the skin comes along with the flap. Now for squids butter garlic, we normally use only the white outer portion. We do not use the head or the tentacles, the arms. But for some other recipes, we could use the arms of the squid. So I cut off the head portion and look at this. As I open the arms, you can see the white portion inside. That is the mouth of the squid and its beak. So gently push it and pull the mouth of the squid out. So let me show you again. Hold the squid firmly, pull the inside, then clean the inside of the squid and remove the thin skeleton. Hold the flaps, both the flaps together and pull the thin pigmented skin downwards. You can see it's all clean and then empty the squids of whatever is there inside. Cut off the head and lastly you need to remove the mouth of the squid. This is the mouth and repeat this for the rest. So for squids butter garlic we normally use only the white portion which is cut into discs, and the tentacles of the squids can be used for any other recipe like squids ambortik. After washing the squids and cutting the white outer flaps in discs, it is time to start with the marination. So here are the washed squids. I'm going to add around half a teaspoon of salt, followed by around 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, then I'm going to mix this all together and let it rest for around 10 to 20 minutes. To prepare squids butter garlic, I will need 8 to 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 tablespoons coriander finely chopped, and around 8 to 10 curry leaves or curry patta, and 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Now my pan is hot and it's time to add in butter. So I'm going to add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter and let the butter melt on medium heat. So once the butter has melted, I'm going to drop in the curry leaves and stir the curry leaves in the butter for around 1 minute. After which I'm going to add in the chopped garlic and let the garlic fry in the butter for around a minute so that the garlic absorbs all the flavors of the butter. The next step is to add the chopped green chilies. Fry in the green chilies along with the garlic and the curry patta for around a minute. After that, I'm going to add the chopped onions. Fry in the onions for around 1 to 2 minutes till the onions turn translucent. And this is the time to add in the marinated squids. Stir it in so that all the flavors of the onion, garlic and chilies gets incorporated in the squids. And let it fry for around 5 minutes. After which I'm going to add in the chopped coriander and give it a stir. And the squid's butter garlic is ready. It just is so aromatic, and you have to try this recipe out. It is very delicious. It's so mouth-watering. So friends, here is a very simple recipe of squid's butter garlic, which is a famous appetizer found in restaurants, in shacks, beach shacks, prepared for parties at home, and is just so simple to prepare. It comes out just in a couple of minutes. And do try this recipe out at home, and if you like it, leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.